Hi y'all, we're down here at our corner market, and I just wanted to show y'all, and if any of y'all still have a store like this, let me know in your comments. We got a little bit of everything in here. And they got some of the best food you ever want, a little bit of everything. Jiminy Crickets, I need to watch where I'm going. We got Barney 5 and Andy. Hey, there's Marilyn. And Old Smoky. I'm just wondering if any of y'all still have no country stores like this. I come to this one more than I go anywhere else. Got anything you might want to or need? Did y'all see the old do shine box up there? And I just love everything about our store.
He's gonna call me back, Joe. He's calling me back. He's not even in the States, so he's getting all of this stuff.
And I'm sure everybody feels the same way about their corner market. But we got some of the best food y'all ever eat. Thank y'all for taking a look at with me. And out here on the old porch, they even let you do a little yard sale if you need to make a little bit of money. If y'all got one like this where y'all live at, give me a holler and let me know about it, alright? And this right here is another old beautiful barn. I don't know if y'all can see it. We got a snow hay wagon over here. I'm going to try to get a shot of it. And I'm going to see if I can get this tree. Right over here. Somebody's got some old beautiful rambling roses. Well, we saw one. Hopefully y'all saw it blink. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this. They were so pretty just a few minutes ago, a flashing and going on. Instead, all I've got is one flash. Well, I'm gonna try for a few seconds more. Well, I promise to get you a better show with the fireflies a dancing than what I'm showing you now. I'll move the camera one way and they'll flash off somewhere else. So I guess it just ain't dark enough yet. I disturbed them. I wish one would come alight on me. Evidently, I'm going to have to catch some in a mason jar for y'all. Instead, y'all get to look at the dark. At least you can hear the frogs are singing tonight. I thank yous, and I'm so sorry. And I will get you a better show. I promise. I appreciate y'all listening and watching. Thank you.